Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. I'm Riddle and I want to share something with you that I'm pretty excited about because, if you watch my channel, I like experimenting with different things in regards to maximizing my plants and vegetables and fruits and vines and everything that's alive and bringing joy to my life. Health. So, I love the company Top Tropicals, and they've got such a great selection of plants, and especially exotic fruit trees and things, that I thought I would try this product from them. What's cool about it is this specifically is supposed to help to make things stronger, your plants stronger for the winter time. And the reason I got this from the company, from Top Tropicals, is because I live in this weird microclimate and I'm trying to grow some tropical plants, but they're a zone or so, I think, higher than I am technically, because sometimes we get that random freeze or something, strange will happen. Last year we got a snowstorm, which was really unusual for us here in Central California. But because I'm up in the mountains, we have this really unpredictable climate. We'll call it unpredictable. How's that? If things aren't already unpredictable enough. So when I told the company this, they said, well, we've got this product that might be really great for you. And what it is, it's the Sunshine Micro Element Supplement Kit, Cold Hardiness Booster Kit. So isn't that cool? A lot of times you try to grow something and all it takes is one mistake in regards to not protecting it. When it's, when you have a cold snap and you lose it. And you know how expensive fruit trees are now and plants in general. So, how often do I need to treat my plants? We recommend a foliar spray once per week to maintain optimal health conditions. This is based on recent studies done by or in Ukraine by scientists who invented Sunshine Boosters product. Well, that's interesting. Invented in Ukraine. Week 1, we're going to use the Sunshine EPI. Check. Week 2, we're going to use the Sunshine Superfood. Check. Week 3, we're going to go back and use the Sunshine EPI again. And then the Superfood. Okay. Let's see here. Let's read a little bit. Sunshine Superfood is a complex micro-element supplement. It is super element supplement, amino acid, chelated micronutrients containing microelements, ultra microelements, glycinates, as well as sunshine honey ingredients. It shows improving fruit trees production. It is recommended to use Sunshine Superfood every other week as a foliar spray. It only requires 5 milliliters per gallon. Wow, only 5 milliliters per gallon. So this is actually going to last a really long time. And is compatible with hard water or even river water. So it's not fussy about what kind of water you mix in it. The Sunshine EPI is a steroid plant hormone. Okay, I've used those before. That seems to work some magic on plants. Although it will not bring a dead plant back to life, it does seem to help plants to use the nutrition that they're provided and will revive sickly plants quickly. I believe that. Brazanoid steroids have also been shown to help to be cold tolerant. Yes. It will not save some zones that can be a plant saver. Sunshine EPI should be mixed only with distilled or reverse osmosis water. Oh, that's important. I almost missed that detail. and used every other week. Okay, that's important. I almost missed that. So I guess the chlorine may, or other elements, chemicals in city water may nullify the chemicals in the Sunshine EPI. Sea Sunshine Power SI is an advanced plant protector with silicon. Okay, now I've heard about using silicon to help with certain funguses and diseases. I know some organic farmers that break down horsetail weed and soak it in water to extract the silicon for this purpose. It's a mineral substrate absolutely necessary for all plant life on the planet. In field crops, it is known to affect plant growth and quality, photosynthesis, transpiration, and enhance plant resistance to stresses such as drought and freezing. Okay, very interesting. When readily available to plants, it plays a large role in several functions: increase photosynthetic activity, increased insect and disease resistance, reduced mineral toxicity, improve the nutrient imbalances, enhance drought and frost tolerance, enhance plant growth. Very interesting. And again, you only mix 5 milliliters per pint. Okay. And apply foliar spray every other week in the summer and winter alternating weeks. Okay. Wow, this is exciting. Well, the problem I'm going to have is I got to this task a little late. And some of the trees and things that I would have loved to put this on are losing their leaves at this point. So it may be too late to apply it to those, but it's not too late to apply it to my citrus. And it's not too late to apply it to some of my other tropicals that I'm experimenting with here that aren't going to drop their leaves. So let's get on this. I've got my sprayer already filled with 2 gallons of water. And we have a well here, so that shouldn't be an issue with some good filters on it. So, week 1, Sunshine EPI. So, that is this one. And we are going to, once again, reading the directions. 2.5 milliliters in 1 gallon of distilled water. Okay, I've got my little milliliter measuring cup here. So if halfway, this measuring cup, only halfway is 15 milliliters, this is going to take almost nothing. It almost would have been easier to know how many drops, huh? Let's see if I can open this. Excuse me, I'm going to set down my camera. Alrighty, I'm going to kind of guesstimate here at how much we need to use, because we're going to do 2 gallons and set it maximum. I'm going to go with 10 just for make it better safe than sorry, right? Yeah. Alrighty. So I'm going to get this in my sprayer. I'm going to mix it really well, and then I'm going to spray this on my citrus, my finger limes. I'm going to also spray it on my guavas. I've got some guavas out there, and I'm going to go to the greenhouse and spray it on some of the tropicals that I actually brought in for the winter. I don't heat my greenhouse unless it's going to get really, really, really cold, which is only a handful of times here usually, but I'm looking at unpredictable weather this winter. Who knows what's going to happen? So I'm going to spray my champaca trees and my peanut butter fruit tree and my others. Okay, so this is the beginning. I'm going to let you know the results. So let's maybe do a little before and after. How's that? So we really know what we're dealing with. I'm going to do this so it's more controlled. I'm going to take you into my little makeshift greenhouse, which was created out of desperation, which is basically a $300 piece of 9mm plastic pulled over a carport. This is where the magic happens. So let's just look at we're gonna look at the foliage on this champaka. And then we'll look at it on this one too. This one started yellowing because it was getting a little stressed out. We'll also use this. I have trouble saying the name of this, buddy. Japatacaba. We're going to look at the Japatacaba tree. We're going to look at this little citrus tree that's blooming out, which is a kumquat hybrid. We'll study the leaves on it really close. And then, just for fun, we'll use this staghorn fern that's in the corner here to look at the leaves on the staghorn fern. And then I'm going to spray everything up, and then I will do a follow-up video in about a week, and we can compare and see how well the spray does. Okay, I'm a little off today, so I hope this video was sufficient. I will put a link to the company that I purchased this cold winter protection plant serums from, and everything in the comment box. And yes, so I'm excited to see what happens. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because I believe how we treat each other on the streets is our ultimate reality. Bye for now.